Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny back at it again with the S2000, and this time we got some really good news. Y'all ready for it? Y'all ready for it? Here we go. Boom! Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you love, you know me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. Would you look at that? I finally got the wheels on. I was able to fix what I had to fix. And yeah, so I torqued them down. I used a different kind of caulk. I used a caulk that was meant for metal. So now the wheels are holding up air. There's no problems. We got them on the car. I put them on last night. And yeah, this is how it's looking like. So one more thing I do need to do is I need to get this. Open this real quick. So actually, like a couple more things to do. Well, I guess yes, still a couple more things I need to do, but a couple more things that I need to do just to get this going and running. So one is I need to run the lines from these, the vacuum lines from these to my fuel pressure regulator, and then from there I need to from there I also need to adjust this hole. So when I tighten this one up completely, it doesn't align well with that hole right there, so I need to open that more up to the left a little. But other than that, after that I'm gonna get these wrapped. I already have the wrap. I need to get those wrapped, and then I just need to make sure everything's nice and tight. There's nothing that's gonna get damaged, because I don't want to damage anything, any loose wires. I'm getting a different radiator, the fans, but for now I think that's about it. I am still gonna tuck the brakes. Don't worry about that. I'm still gonna tuck that. But yeah, other than that, this is how it's looking, you guys. Alright, so I still got a couple other things. Like for instance, I'm changing out the brakes. I'm getting all 4 brakes upgraded. I'm not gonna go with a big brake kit yet, but one day I will. But for now, I'm just gonna upgrade the brakes to different brakes, slotted, drilled. Yeah. And then also the rear on this thing, so as you guys can see, it's lower than the front, only because like I said, I've tried looking. Well, I've not tried looking, but there is a small leak within the gauges that I have not fixed yet. But I need to do that. The only thing is with these gauges, I'm gonna have to like figure out, because the lines are like thick plastic lines, so they're kind of hard to work with and hard to bend. So yeah, but I mean, we're just waiting for the base map to get this thing started. I think the main problem now comes down to that sensor not letting it start because it's not calibrated right. So I need to figure out the settings on that. But this is what she's looking like for now. I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple, run the lines, the vacuum lines, and a couple other things, and then yeah. So I have been grinding this out, making this fit. This pipe wasn't really sitting right. Like I said, I opened it up more, but I don't know if I should leave the pipes out, cut them all flush. Not exactly sure what I want to do. I might cut them all flush. But I'll see it. I'm gonna think about it. Cause yeah, I don't want these sticking out too crazy out. So I think I'm just gonna cut them flush and just let it be how it is. And then I'm gonna wrap them up. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is the final product of what we got going on with these. As you can see, it covers up most of the welds that I had welded. The welds on these were fine. They didn't need to be covered up like that much, but it still covers up anything like on the top. But I still need to cut those off, that stuff off. But so far, this is how it looks like. It looks pretty good, in my opinion. Hopefully, I think. Looks good, looks good. I think I overlaid too much right here, but it's fine. But anyways, I'm gonna take a break just because I got a lot of fucking the fiber from this shit or from something in my arms and it's itching the fuck out of me right now. So I'm gonna go change clothes and stuff like that. But yeah, alright you guys, so this is how the pipes came out. I finished them up, I wrapped them up, so that's how they're looking. They're looking not too bad. It hides my ugly welds right there. So we did come across one little small problem with this, which is, let me show you. Close the hood real quick. Alright, so the small little problem is this hole. It got bigger and bigger and bigger. So we started out over here and we ended up over here somehow. I had to grind some down again because of the wrap, but yes, this is now really ugly. So in my original plan I was gonna get a plate. I'm still gonna get the plate done, like to cover up most of the big old hole, but the bottom is an issue. Like, look at this. This is not too bad, but like I said, the hole is just really ugly. I don't like it. So yeah, but for now it clears it. I don't have my keys to open the car, so I don't want to close the hood all the way, but just know that it does close. But there it is. It's they're like that much out. This is pointing out here, so we'll see how it looks when it comes. We'll see how it goes when it's time to get it going. We also got the turbo over here showing off, you know. This is just flexing. Looks good though. Alright you guys, so I decided to clean up everything that was around here because it was super dirty. I also washed it down a bit, got air, shot out some air, some dirt that was in there. Tried cleaning up as much as I could. I'm gonna clean it up more, but just for now I cleaned it up bare minimum. This is all the stuff that was right down the side, just stuff that I was using and needing. I always left it there just in case. But now it's coming out. So yeah, you guys, this is, I mean, we're just literally like, I'm just waiting for a tune to get this started. I've been looking around for a bass map tune just to get that started. Haven't found anything, hit people up, haven't got back to me. I did hit up a tuner who's gonna do a remote tune, but he hasn't got back to me, so I'm waiting, hoping maybe tomorrow he hits me up, but we'll see. Yeah, I mean, what more can I say? I'm just literally waiting for a tune and we should be moving it. Alright guys, so I finished up with the car. I'm done for now. Like I said, I'm just waiting for the tune, so that's all I'm waiting for. I'm back here in the back office. We're finishing up this week with the 100 Terzicawas that we had for that one company called Drive Safe. I think that's what they call it. I just know that that's on the thing. But anyways, other than that, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out the Meister shop online. Click the links down below. We came out with the new tee and the new crew neck. Go ahead and check those out. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.